Are you getting troubles with this common error? This is known as blue screen of death error. Many people struggle to fix it, however in today's video we are going to teach you how to fix this error within few minutes. Stay with Braint and we will teach you through simple steps. Before fixing this error, it is very important to know the reason for getting this error. Let's see. Insufficient space in system disk. Faulty device drivers. BIOS misconfiguration. Hard disk corruption. Unidentified bug of Windows. Outdated Windows operating system. Incorrect entries in the system's registry. Let's see how to fix this error step by step. First step. Let the system restart itself after you see this screen. Step 2. When you are arrived at this type of screen, go to Advanced Options. Then click on Troubleshoot. Again go to Advanced Options. Then go to Startup Settings. Then click Restart. Now we are going to boot our computer in safe mode. After you get into this screen, it is very easy to do it. To boot in safe mode, just press F4 key in your keyboard. Wow! Our computer was turned on. Now it's alright and we are able to use our computer as usual. Just restart your computer to exit in safe mode. We hope that this method will solve your issue to the point. If you have any further issues, feel free to contact us by adding a comment. That's all for today and thanks for being with Braint. Let's meet you guys in another video. Have a nice day.